Good evening, folks. This is CHMR Chief Reynolds James for your December 23rd evening forecast. Chance of flurries for tomorrow for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Arctic cold snap beginning tonight throughout much of the week, and a chance of snow again for next weekend. Today we hit a high of 8 degrees. It was balmy. We didn't break a record though, which is 13 degrees back in the 1980s. The average is 0, so well above the average. The low, 3 degrees, that's well above the average of -7, but not the record of -16. And we had 7.1 millimeters of rainfall today recorded in downtown St. John's. Currently in downtown St. John's, we got rain and drizzle. 3 degrees, still balmy out there. Dew point of 2 degrees, humidity at 93%. Those winds from the west-southwest, 27 kilometers per hour. Guessing at about 40 kilometers per hour, we have a wind chill of -2. And the pressure at 998 millibars. Closer look to Christmas Eve, looking at -7 by tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Pretty clear skies. -3 by noon tomorrow with sun clouds. Winds turning to the west at 30 kilometers per hour. And west winds with increasing clouds tomorrow night. And -5. Your high tomorrow is -3 with sun and clouds. Let's take a look now as we get into downtown. 2.7 degrees. Feels like -3 though with the wind chill, dew point of 2 degrees. 19 km per hour winds from the west with a gust of 27.4. And on radar we have no rain to report. We had rain earlier this evening, or earlier this morning I should say, but that has tapered off as we got through the afternoon. We just have some drizzle to talk about. Cold air coming for much of the week, especially Friday, and then again in the new year. Here it is, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day. We got cold air coming in down from the Arctic. The coldest day will be Thursday into Friday. Those temperatures in the daytime will only top out between -5 and -8, with morning temperatures closer to -15. It is going to be really frigid. Notice the coldest air though is way back here to the Arctic still. That does make its way down, but we do see a brief ridge of warm air coming in for the weekend, next weekend. That will bring temperatures of closer to freezing and above freezing by Sunday. But as we get into New Year's Eve into New Year's Day, that's when we'll start to see the cold Arctic air swing back in, and we'll see really frigid temperatures. Temperatures closer to -10 to -15 for the daytime highs, and morning lows closer to -20. It's going to be really frigid as we get into the new year to start 2019. Alright, let's take a look now at the day planet forecast. For tonight, we are looking at foggy conditions by 6 o'clock, 2 p.m., 9 o'clock, looking at cloudy skies and 0. And by 12 o'clock, we'll see those clouds breaking off to -2 degrees, and by overnight we'll see those pretty clear skies. Temperatures dropping down to -4 and -6 by morning. For this evening, once again, those temperatures dropping down to -5 by 4 a.m. under pretty clear skies. Tonight, drizzle, fog, then clearing late in the evening. -6 is your low. Southwest to west winds 3 km per hour. Temperatures dropping by 12 o'clock to -2. By 5 o'clock and 6 o'clock when you wake up tomorrow morning, temperatures going to be closer to -6. Tomorrow, sun clouds, colder. Highs only going up to -3 tomorrow. West winds 30 kilometers per hour. Tomorrow night, increasing clouds, cold, and flurries possible. -7, those southwest winds 20 kilometers per hour. Temperature tracker shows that temperatures are going to be fairly below seasonal, fairly below average for the next 5 days, right through the week, with temperatures right around -3 through Thursday, and then Friday, temperatures really dropping down to closer to -7 by Friday. And that cold air will continue into Saturday with temperatures of -1 and cloudy skies. Sunday is our next best chance for any rain or snow, but temperatures do get back up there, +4 on Sunday. But until then, it is cold, but we do remain dry until next weekend. That's your CHMR weather. I am CHMR Chief Reynolds James Vaughn. Have a great evening.